Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I will show you how you create an ATS friendly resume in free, and I will show you also from where you will download the ATS friendly resume templates. So let's start the video. First of all, let me give some information about ATS. ATS is an applicant tracking system and it is a human resources software that acts as a database for job applicant. ATS are used by companies to organize, research and communicate with large group of applicant. The main goal of an ATS is to make life easier for recruiter and HR. Companies often hire for multiple positions at once and receive hundreds if not thousands of applicants for each job opening. When a recruiter or a hiring manager receive that many resume, it is not possible for them to carefully read each one. And ATS makes researching easier, even automatic, saving time while avoiding human error. So let's know how to make ATS friendly resume. First of all, you need to go to the Google, search Jobscan, and then click on www.jobscan.co. Okay, then go to the ATS and down you will see ATS friendly resume. Just click on ATS friendly resume. How to create an ATS friendly resume. Just scroll down and here you will see free ATS friendly resume templates. Just click on this one. Okay, free professional resume templates. And down you will see ATS friendly resume templates. Just select anyone and download. For example, I want to download this one. Just click on download. Next, click on this one. Here is your resume. Now you have to edit it. First, change your name from here. Okay. Then just remove this summary. Delete. Enter your city, state, zip, and your email address, LinkedIn profile name, and then edit your skills, your work experience, job title, company name, company location, month and year. Okay, job title, and the last your education. That's it. And I will not do editing on this because it's easy. You can do editing comfortably. When you will finish your editing, then save your resume. If you are applying online for the company's website, then you can upload it there. And as I told you before, nowadays most of companies are using ATS. If you upload a ATS friendly resume, then your chances of getting selected increase. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.